In this video, I'm going to show you how to watch YouTube TV internationally on your iPhone or iPad, whether you're traveling outside the US or living abroad but still want access to live TV in your recordings. First thing to know, YouTube TV is only available in the United States, so if you try to access it from another country, you'll get a message saying it's unavailable. But there is a way around it, and it works pretty well if you have a subscription. The most reliable method is using a premium virtual private network, VPN, that has servers based in the US. A good VPN makes it look like you're browsing from inside the US, which tricks YouTube TV into letting you stream normally. Choose a trusted service like ExpressVPN, NordVPN, or Surfshark. These are known to work consistently with streaming services. Here's how to set it up on iOS. Sign up for a compatible VPN service. Download and install the VPN app from the App Store. Open the app and connect to a US-based server. Once connected, open the YouTube TV app or go to tv.youtube.com in Safari. Sign into your account, and boom, you should have full access just like you're at home. Keep in mind, some local channels may still be limited depending on licensing, and streaming quality depends on your internet speed. Thanks for watching. If this helped you watch YouTube TV outside the US on your iOS device, drop a comment below and let me know which VPN worked best for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more streaming tips. See you next time.